Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to register for online banking in Deutsche Bank. But before we do that, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you do not miss an update from us. So first we'll go to the bank's website, which is deutsche-bank.de. So this is the German website of the bank. So if you're in other part of the country, if you have your account in other branches around the world, you're going to have to go to that bank's website for that country. This is the German website. Once the site is loaded, over here you have the option of digital banking. So once you put your cursor there, you can see under online banking, you have online banking activation. So you'll click on that. Then you'll click on I agree. Then you'll be taken to another page where you will fill in your information. You will apply for online banking activation. So here you will enter your branch number and your customer number. Then you will enter your first name and your surname. So if you have multiple account holders for the same account, you're going to have to fill a different form for each account holder. So you will enter your first name and your surname, and then you will enter your email address, your phone number, and your mobile phone number. And after that, you will agree to the terms and conditions. So you can also, this is the optional terms and conditions. Then you enter your sub-account number here, and you will enter the domestic phone number, mobile phone number of the account holder for mobile TAN dispatch. So it needs to be domestic, that is German number. And after that, you will enter the credit limit, which is going to be 2,500 euros per day is requested. So you will enter 2,500 over here. Then you can register your phone account for telephone banking, and you will register for a digital mailbox, that is receive bank messages, and you will upload and save your documents digitally. So once you do that, you will agree to the terms and conditions, and here you will enter your email address again, and you could subscribe to the free service of the bank, that is information and current offers via phone or via email. You can choose any one. So here you will have to sign. So here you will scan this QR code with your phone number, and you will sign on your phone, and it will appear over here. So your signature will appear over here. And after you fill in all these details, you can click on form preview to see your details one last time before you submit it. And you can click on this checkbox over here, and you can click on submit, and your order will be carried out, and you can now start your online banking. So it's a very quick and easy process. I hope this video helps you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.